In this training, we're going to be discussing a often missed section of the dashboard named Carryover Assumptions. These are 4 assumptions that often predate the plan. And we're going to click into this section right now and discuss what all they can affect. Now, a couple things to note: that the carryover assumptions can be noted on an individual level. So if there are things that affect the individuals, you can note them specifically by name. Let's look at Paul's carryover section and let's take a look at the different things that you can note in their plan that might have carried over from previous years. For example, I have a $25,000 tax bill owing from the previous year. In this example, Paul has a outstanding tax bill from the previous year that we want noted in the plan so that we can make sure we are accounting for that large expense in this coming year. There's also things that you can do, like changing their province of residence in the plan in this section. You can also update their lifetime capital gains exemption claimed to date. You can adjust some of their contribution limits up to this point in time. So if there are some adjustments that you want made to our contribution limits in the plan, this is the section where you would go to do that. And you can also adjust whether or not CPP sharing is turned on in this plan in this section. Since I've added the taxes owing in this section for Paul, let's take a look at where you would see that in the plan. I'm going to click Done to save, and let's go to Year View, and let's take a look at our Expenses tab, and we should see income taxes due for year 2025. So this is being applied 1 year in arrears since we are in 2026 as our plan start date. So we are making sure to account for this tax bill in the plan so that we are making sure that we are accounting for this large expense in their plan. I hope that this has been helpful. If you do have any questions about carryover assumptions, how they might affect your client's plan, or anything else, feel free to click the name of your client, request support, enter your question into the text box, and share client access. Thanks for listening.